We'll come back to my channel today in the Auto Byte. In 2026, Rolls-Royce Luxury Motorhome represents the ultimate fusion of handcrafted automotive excellence and the freedom of a world-class mobile residence, redefining what it means to travel in unmatched style and comfort. From the moment it appears, its commanding yet graceful silhouette captures attention, with the iconic Pantheon grille and Spirit of Ecstasy emblem leading the way. The exterior is sculpted with the precision and elegance expected from Rolls-Royce, featuring deep, multi-layer paint finishes that shimmer under sunlight, flawless chrome detailing, and aerodynamically sculpted bodywork that balances presence with efficiency. Advanced LED and laser matrix headlamps give it a distinct nighttime signature, while massive polished alloy wheels and integrated side skirts emphasize its bespoke design. Every visible surface has been meticulously hand-finished, ensuring no detail is overlooked, and the sheer size of the vehicle adds an unmistakable aura of exclusivity. Inside, the transition from an impressive exterior to a palatial interior is seamless, immersing you in an environment that embodies the very essence of luxury living. Every surface is wrapped in the finest leather, sourced and tanned to perfection, complemented by rare wood veneers, brushed metal accents, and handcrafted inlays. The driving position feels like a private cockpit, with an advanced digital display framed in traditional Rolls-Royce elegance, intuitive haptic controls, and a steering wheel finished in the softest hides. The living space is expansive, designed to feel like a luxury apartment on wheels, with deep, plush seating that offers full heating, cooling, and multi-point massage. A retractable 100-inch 8K OLED entertainment display emerges seamlessly from the cabinetry, paired with a premium 3D surround audio system tuned for cinematic clarity. The interior is insulated with Rolls-Royce's next-generation acoustic dampening, ensuring a whisper-quiet atmosphere regardless of speed or road conditions. The motorhome's kitchen is both a chef's delight and a design masterpiece, fitted with bespoke cabinetry, marble countertops, and integrated appliances from Europe's most prestigious brands. An induction cooktop, steam and convection ovens, wine cooler, and dual-zone refrigerator make gourmet cooking possible anywhere in the world. The lighting system is fully adjustable, shifting from bright and energizing for cooking to soft and warm for evening relaxation. Moving into the master suite reveals a king-size bed dressed in Egyptian cotton and cashmere throws, surrounded by panoramic smart glass windows that can tint at the touch of a button. The en-suite bathroom rivals the best hotel suites, with a rainfall shower, underfloor heating, marble finishes, and gold-accented fixtures, ensuring even the smallest daily routines are steeped in opulence. Beneath its majestic appearance lies a cutting-edge powertrain engineered for silent, effortless cruising. Buyers can select between a hybrid-assisted V12, delivering immense torque and range, or an all-electric configuration offering over 500 miles of travel on a single charge. Both versions feature advanced adaptive air suspension and predictive road scanning, allowing the Rolls-Royce motorhome to glide over imperfections with uncanny smoothness. The braking system uses high-performance ceramic composites with regenerative technology for maximum efficiency, and the chassis is custom-built to carry the motorhome's luxury weight without compromising handling precision. Technological sophistication flows through every aspect of this vehicle. A central AI concierge system manages lighting, climate, entertainment, and navigation, with voice-activated controls for convenience. High-speed satellite internet ensures uninterrupted connectivity anywhere on the globe, while an integrated solar panel system powers the living quarters for sustainable off-grid living. Multiple hidden storage compartments, concealed underfloor safes, and climate-controlled luggage spaces maintain practicality without disturbing the aesthetic. Rolls-Royce's legendary Bespoke program allows each owner to personalize every detail, from the exterior paint and wheel designs to interior layouts and material selections, ensuring no two 2026 Rolls-Royce motorhomes will ever be the same. The 2026 Rolls-Royce Luxury Motorhome is more than a mode of transportation. It is a moving statement of achievement, a private retreat that carries the aura of a five-star estate across continents. It transforms every journey into an indulgent experience, allowing its owners to live without compromise, explore without limits, and arrive anywhere in the world with the same grandeur as they departed. It is not simply about getting from place to place, it is about redefining the journey itself, making every mile an expression of the Rolls-Royce standard.